Healthcare. Instructions for non-European students. Option 1. A long-term, at least 1 year, insurance policy issued in the country of origin and valid in Italy, translated in Italian or English, and specifying the period of validity, personal data of the student. Option 2. A private long-term insurance policy taken out with WAI, Welcome Association Italy. For more information, visit waitaly.net. AON. For more information, visit www.ied.edu/students. Option 3. Registration with the Italian Sistema Sanitario Nazionale, National Healthcare System, valid from 1st January to 31st December, the current calendar year, at a cost of €700. To know how to apply, contact the International Student Desk.
Instructions for European students. To register with the health service and to select a doctor, students should visit the link www.sr.asst-fbf-sacco.it and follow the instructions. In the first page, you have to select Iscrizione al Servizio Sanitario Regionale Studenti Stranieri. If you need help, contact the International Student Desk.
Tax code. The Codice Fiscale, or Italian tax code, is a strictly personal alphanumerical code that identifies each citizen with the Italian public authorities and administrations, and is needed in order to buy a SIM card for a mobile phone, register with the National Health System, open a current account, sign an apartment rental contract, sign a work contract. How to get it? The Italian tax code is issued free of charge by the Agenzia delle Entrate. You can get it in one of the following ways. Before arriving in Italy, make a request with the Italian diplomatic authorities present in your country of origin. Send an online request to the Italian Revenue Agency following the instructions that the ISD share by email at the beginning of the year.
Accommodation. General information. Costs in Milan are comparable with those in other major European cities and vary depending on the city district. There are 9 in Milan. It's highly suggested to start looking for accommodation as soon as the admission process is completed. In order to rent an apartment, you must be in possession of an Italian tax code. Non-EU students must be in possession of a residence permit as well, or the postal receipts. Remember that any Italian rental contract lasting more than 30 days must be registered with the Agenzia delle Entrate, so you should consider this contract registration cost as part of the total amount you need to pay. YED Housing Partners. The YED Housing service is entrusted to various external partners that guarantee a discount. Access www.ied.edu/Milan/accommodation-Milan.
Prepare your documents. All the documents listed at Step 6, Matriculation Desk, of the next video. In addition, only for non-European students: passport, IED Certificate of Enrollment stamped by the Italian Diplomatic Authority, and the summary PDF downloadable from the University portal. Annual health insurance.